Hi, it's Mark Coman from Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy. We're here at Disney's California Adventures today, and you're going to see in the next week or so from Paul's Photo and newsletter talking about using a compact camera kit, because I don't want a big camera kit today. So what did I do? I brought my full frame mirrorless camera, the Nikon Z8, with the compact 26mm lens over my shoulder. I've got the Peak leash strap, so I've just got the camera by itself. Full memory card, full battery, and I can photograph all day. When I'm photographing, actually, I wrap the strap around my wrist, so here I have a good outfit that I can carry with me. The whole point is to have a camera and make pictures that's going to do a better job than a compact camera, a better job than my cell phone at recording the images today. What did I bring? I brought the Nikon Z8 with the infrared Z8, the 26mm Nikon lens, so I can make all the pictures I want. You're going to see some awesome stuff shot today, and I hope you enjoy it. Hope I inspire you to get out and make a picture and share it. Mark Coman from Paul's Photo. Oh my gosh, I have a friend in you. Hey Keith, how are you?
Hey,
My buddy Keith.
I wanted to make another, flash appearance here.
I love it. See you soon, gang.